Hey, I'm Adam, your math coach. Let's have a look at this SAT question. Let m and n be positive integers such that 1/3 of m is n less than 1/2 of m. Which of the following is a possible value of m? Here are answers. If you want to give this problem a try, pause the video. Now let's see how to solve it. So, m and m are positive integers. We know that m and n is in C++. Such that 1/3 of m is n less than 1/2 of m. So actually we see that 1/3 of m is less, so we can rewrite it as, if we were to add n to 1/3 of m, it would be equal to 1/2 of m. Okay, now we can subtract this 1/3 of m. So n would be 1/2 of m minus 1 minus 1/3 of m. So n would be equal to m times. Now so we would like to have these ones on the same denominator, so we write 1/2 as 3/6, that's a 6, minus 2/6. So n would be equal to 3 minus 2, that's 1. Oh, so 1/6 of m. Okay, now m and n are positive integers. So we know that but actually we can just simply write it as m is equal to 6n. That would solve our complications. So which of the following values is possible for m? Actually, we don't do that. Instead, yeah, we have to do this. So n is m divided by 6. Okay, what do we know about n? N is a positive integer. So, because what can we divide with 6 to get positive integers? Something that is divisible by 6. There is no remainder when we divide by 6. So we know that m is divisible by 6. So m is equal to 6 times something. Okay, which of these numbers? So we have the answers. Which of these answers are divisible by 6? 13 isn't, 15 isn't, 21 isn't, 24 is. So these are answer. Okay, so let's have a look at a similar one. Let p and q be positive integers okay, let's have a look at a similar one. Let p and q be positive integers such that 1/4 of p is q more than 1/5 of p. Which of the following possible value of p? And these are values. Again, solve it with similar method. 1/4 of p is q more than 1/5 of p. So if we were to so if we were to subtract q from 1/4 of p, it would be equal to 1/5 of p. Okay, now we just subtract 1/5 of p and add q, so we end up having p and q on the two different sides of the equation. And now we do the same. So the common denominator here would be 20, and it would be, so we multiply the top and bottom by 5, it would be 5 20th, we multiply the top and bottom by 4 20th, p would be q. So actually p over 20, because that's just 1, would be q. Again, p and q are positive integers, so p is divisible by 20. So so there is only 20 that is divisible by 20 from these values. So that's our final answer. Have you managed to solve them? Tell me in the comment section. If you want to see more problems like this, check out my other videos. Thank you for watching.